Hello Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for June 28th to June the 30th, no? Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And nagla-live din po tayo doon. No? So, kung gusto niyo pong sumali, you're very much welcome. So, Leo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. With regard po sa inyong comments, no, or questions sa YouTube po, no, pwede po kayong mag-ask ng question as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So, kung feeling po ninyo hindi po kayo masasatisfy, no, sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po, no, meron pong link. All you have to do is to click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my website. So nandun po yung information, how to ask a question, the amount, uh, mode of payment, ayan. And if you also want to book a private reading, dun din po yun, no, sa description box. So, Leo, mag-start na tayo, no? So, Leo, wow. What I am seeing here is you are given a lot of opportunities right now. Leo, I think that you should use, no, these opportunities for you to either request, demand, wish, ask, no? Do whatever it takes para makuha mo itong iyong minamanifest into whichever um, department of your life, no? Pwedeng ito ay for romance, pwedeng ito ay for career, pwedeng ito is for, sabihin natin, um, yeah, finances, no? With the Nine of Swords and the Three of Cups. So, Leo, I think that you are, or you might think, no, uh, that you might be in a third party situation. For a few numbers of you siguro sabihin natin dadun tayo inside a third party situation, or probably you're stressing about a person who's sabihin natin pwedeng maging threat, no, sa inyong relationship. With the Three of Cups in here, you wanted to celebrate the person, you wanted to have sinasabi nating good, no, relationship. But it makes me feel with the Nine of Swords, may blockage, no? So I believe that you are stressing on how to remove the blockage um, in your relationship with the Seven of Wands and the Hangman, no? I think that you're also doing some actions naman, no? Yung actions na to, pwedeng kinakausap natin si person, no? Or minamanmanan natin itong relationship na natin. Pero wala pa tayong sabihin natin evidence, or you don't even know if kung yung ating kutob is real, no? Um, wow, with the Page of Swords and the Five of Swords. So ang nakikita ko dito, pilit nating nilalabanan, no? Itong blockage. Of course, who who wants a broken relationship? Who wants a, sabihin natin, relationship na medyo magulo, no? Um, who wants to have a relationship na sabihin natin hindi siya, hindi ka komportable, no? Na ibigay ang buong puso, ang buong energy mo, no? Um, but hindi ka rin naman nag-stop, no? Para ipaglaban itong relationship mo. With taking a chance, you're doing everything, no? Para magkaroon tayo ng, sabihin nating, win. I think that you might feel that you are in a battle. Um, kasi parang nakikipag-agawan tayo sa attention, affection, um, abundance, no, ni person. Um, I think that this is also very risky, no, for you to, sabihin natin, to take this chance, to take the steps. Pero we are given no choice, but sometimes to be aggressive, no? Ang pinaka nakakatakot kasi kay Leo is when Leo becomes aggressive. Kasi we don't know, or probably Leo even don't know their capabilities, no? Lalo na kapag nagalit. With the Eight of Pentacles and the Four of Swords, are we? I think for a few numbers of you, eto na yung sinasabi mong last chance, no? Um, this is my last chance for me to fight for this connection if in case that I will not going to succeed, or if my person, no, doesn't want to cooperate, might as well, sabihin natin, hindi naman susuko, but might as well surrender, no, to the universe, kasi sobrang pagod na, no, sobrang napagod ng kakalaban, si Leo natin. Uh, with the Six of Swords and the Four of Pentacles, as much as possible, you would love to sort of kahit papaano magkaroon ng improvement, no? Um, alam naman natin, we are based on a reality na hindi agad magbabago overnight. Itong sinasabi nating wish, demands, but I hope, or at least you're praying, no, na sana masagot. Kaya nga sabi ko, take the opportunity na, um, with regard to this. And this is your chance, siguro, no, with the energy that I am picking up, kung natatakot pa tayong magsalita, no, or humingi, no, from our person, um, I think that this is the chance for our voice to be heard, no? Um, I think na napakatahimik dito ni Leo, no? Sa mga bagay na sabihin natin gusto niya mangyari. Siguro nahihiya siya, um, or baka ma-reject, takot of rejection, no? Um, wag. If there is a chance for you to speak your mind in a nice way naman, by all means do it, no? So, this is your reading, Leo. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. What I am seeing in here is Taurus, um, Virgo, Capricorn, Leo, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Pisces. No? So yan po ang mga zodiac signs. So, tingnan natin ang message ng iyong person or it could also be your message, no? Our paths will always reunite. So, ang maganda dito is parang binibigyan tayo ng pag-asa na we can do something, we can always protect our relationship. I think that siguro wag lang tayo magpapadala dahil sa heightened emotion, whether it is sobrang saya, sobrang galit, or sobrang lungkot, no? We have to gauge our feelings. Probably we can sit on it, sleep on it, and make a decision prior making a move or prior opening our mouth. So, Leo, ito pong card na ito is a message from the spirit guides, guardian angel, higher self, universe, no? Whatever you want to call it. So focus your mindset on what you can control instead of what you can't. The world is our oyster. Elevate your thought pattern so that you can attract abundance into your life. You are what you believe. And I can see here that probably because of so much stress, no, this is a direct message, for you Leos. Na siguro all these stress are piling up, some part of the department of our lives are messy, and things piled up. You know, instead of dwelling, into those negativities, might as well dwell into sabihin natin solutions, sabihin natin answers and positivities, no? So again, Leo, this is your reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, no, nagla-live po tayo doon sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Meron din po tayong ibang readings po doon, no? Kung hindi niyo po maabutan itong live, no, sa comment section po, sa YouTube po, hindi sa TikTok, sa YouTube, pwede po kayong magtanong, no? As long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Ayan. So, kung feeling nyo naman hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po, no? Meron po dong link. All you have to do is to either click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my page. Type in your questions. Follow the instructions. Nandun po lahat. Modes of payment, QR codes, how much per questions. And I have a promotion of 4 questions plus 1. So take advantage of it. And meron din po tayo dong link for private reading. So Leo, again, maraming salamat. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po, no, sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.